Geography 662, GIS and Land Management. Please state your name, age, and address. My name is Andrew Henry. I am 29 years old, and I live at 105 West 51st Street in Austin, Texas. Please state your profession. I am an environmental consultant. How long have you been in that profession? I have been in my profession for 6 years. How do you feel about how your undergraduate degree is relevant to your stated opinions? My undergraduate degree is Bachelor of Science in Environmental Science and Policy from St. Edward's University, and it prepared me to think critically about a given problem and find a logical solution. How do you feel your graduate degree is relevant to your stated opinions? I am currently pursuing a Master of Geoscience specializing in GIS or Geographic Information Systems through Texas A&M University. In pursuit of this degree, I've become familiar with land management, including boundary definitions, parcel descriptions, dignity of calls, and techniques for understanding agreements and map interpretations. How much land did Elf Energy intend to obtain? Elf Energy intended to obtain 160 acres of the northwest quarter of Abstract 199 in an agreement with Engel Gabriel on May 5, 1928. Why did the Texas Railroad Commission approve Maso Energy drilling permit if it was found to be incorrect? The Texas Railroad Commission approved Maso Energy's drilling permit because the role of the Texas Railroad Commission is to determine through approval or disapproval the completeness of the drilling permit and to review site safety compliance at the drilling location. The role of the Texas Railroad Commission is not to approve accuracy of surveys and lease agreements. Why do your documents justify Elf Energy taking Maso's land? Elf Energy is correct in their ownership of the northwest quarter of Abstract 199. The measurements claimed by Maso Energy are incorrect according to previous documentation from multiple historical records showing Section 33, Block 43, or Abstract 199 to be a square property with each of the 4 property lines being 1900 varas. The intent of the lease agreement in 1968 was to give Maso Energy the remainder of a 640-acre tract, save and except the northwest quarter, which is granted to Elf Energy. The specific distances provided in the lease agreement between Engel Gabriel and Maso Energy incorrectly allow for a measurement of 5,429 feet for the western extent of the property described as Abstract 199. However, as shown in the historical evidence, Abstract 199 is described as being square, having boundaries of 1900 varas or 5,277 feet in length, and being 640 acres in total area. Court cases that help provide information to support my opinion include Humble Oil and Refining Company versus the state in 1942 and Dixon and Witcher versus David Dewhurst in 2005, in which junior survey calls cannot create ambiguity. Also, my decisions were informed by Vernon's Annotated Revised Civil Statutes of the State of Texas, which include guidance on and rules for the order of conflicting title elements and the rules of sequential conveyances. In this case, Elf Energy is shown to be senior and Maso Energy is shown to be junior. Have you ever made a mistake in your professional career? Yes, I have made a few minor mistakes in my professional career, but no mistakes that have led to substantial consequences. How much time did you spend informing your opinion? After receiving all the evidence, I spent over 14 hours over 2 days coming to my opinion.